This coffee table was sent to me by the seller for a review, and so I would love to tell you my thoughts, tell you about all the features, and also tell you about the installation process. So first of all, there are multiple options in the wood look here, the colors you can choose. So come up here and look at this. This is beautiful. This light wood is what I chose, and I think it would look great in any living room or office setting. As far as the size, this is a really good size. So I'm 5'2", so my wingspan here, you can see it's about 5 feet across and maybe 2.5, 3 feet, I don't know, this way, but nice large space for you to put both your drinks, but also books or decorations or whatever else you want to store on a coffee table. Let me show you the features. So this one is two-toned. Like I said, it has the wood finish here, which is beautiful. It has a nice, really large compartment down here. I don't know if you can see how big it is. I have a basket stored here for now, but this is a huge open space here. And then this piece here opens, the whole thing opens, and it has a really great sliding mechanism. You can see there's like a lip at the bottom. Can you see that? You can put your hand down there, or you can just put your hands up here to open it. It is very smooth. It slides really nicely. And then you can see how much space there is. This is awesome. So for now, I just have 2 blankets, but you can see how deep this is in here. And I love that it has a divider. And so if you did have smaller items, you didn't want them to be all jumbled up, that's a great way to keep it separated. So I love that. This way you're not having your blankets or whatever else just sitting out all in the open. So I like my stuff tucked away. So this is wonderful storage here. And then to shut it, as far as safety here, if you have littles, I will tell you, make sure you tell them not to put their hand here so that it doesn't close on it. So you can just close it nicely back here or with that lip down on the bottom, but it's very quiet and smooth here. So that is wonderful. I think this would look great in a living room. It would look great in an office or anywhere else you want to be able to have good storage and a beautiful piece of furniture. So 2 thumbs up on this.